Sanvi Group's presents Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens. Let's drive through Hebbal Flyover. Nestled in the prime location of Devanahalli with Kempegowda International Airport beside. Welcome to Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens. Introducing Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens, where modern living meets nature's serenity. Step into our thoughtfully designed homes, where every detail is crafted for comfort and elegance. Imagine mornings filled with sunshine and evenings spent in peace, surrounded by luxury. Whether it's a refreshing dip in the pool, a workout with a view, or a leisurely stroll in our lush gardens, Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens offers a lifestyle of unparalleled convenience. More than just a home, this is a community where relationships blossom and memories are made. A place where every day feels like a getaway. From cozy family dinners to peaceful moments of solitude, every corner of your home at Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens is designed to enhance your living experience. Experience the best lift facility. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet evening in, your luxurious living area adapts to your every need, offering the perfect blend of style and comfort. More than just a home, this is where life's best moments unfold. A place to connect, to unwind, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Crafted with precision and designed for those who demand the very best, this kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a sanctuary of style and sophistication. Whether it's a casual family breakfast or an elegant dinner with friends, this kitchen is the perfect setting for every occasion. Imagine a space where every meal feels like a celebration. Our luxurious dining area is not just a room, it's an experience. A place where design meets comfort and every detail is crafted to perfection. Welcome to a bedroom where every detail is crafted to offer the pinnacle of luxury. The space is a harmonious blend of modern sophistication and timeless beauty, featuring soft, inviting tones that suit the senses. Unwind in the perfect bath, where luxury meets tranquility. Welcome to a space where luxury meets comfort, where every moment is crafted for those who appreciate the finer things in life. With generous space and smart design, this kitchen is not only a culinary dream but also a place where you can gather with family and friends. The expansive island provides both a practical workspace and a stylish centerpiece for casual dining. Unwind in your private retreat, complete with a cozy reading nook and breathtaking views. This is more than just a bedroom, it's a heaven tailored to your every need. Elegance extends to your personal space with a walk-in closet designed for both beauty and function. Every item has its place in this thoughtfully crafted sanctuary. Our master bedroom design redefines relaxation, offering a serene escape from the world outside. Our toilet's efficient flushing system conserves water without compromising performance, making it an eco-friendly choice for the modern home. Step into a realm where sophistication meets comfort. Our luxurious living area is designed to be more than just a space, it's an experience. From the moment you cross the threshold, you'll be enveloped in an ambience of elegance and relaxation. Immerse yourself in a world of elegance with our premium countertops, crafted from the finest materials. Each surface is not just a workspace but a statement of style. Imagine waking up in a room where every detail whispers luxury. Our master bedrooms are crafted to offer unparalleled comfort and style, featuring sumptuous materials and sophisticated design. From its ergonomic shape to its whisper-quiet operation, this toilet redefines relaxation. Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens. Every moment is a chance to create beautiful memories with your loved ones. Just steps away from the airport, it ensures that frequent travelers enjoy unmatched convenience. No more long commutes or rushing to catch a flight, your journey begins right at your doorstep. Whether you're a business professional or a globetrotter, our prime location makes your life easier and more efficient. Experience the luxury of saving time and living stress-free. Whether you're a frequent flyer or simply love the idea of being close to the action, Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens is designed for you. Say goodbye to long commutes and hello to more time with your loved ones. At Impact Sanvi Aero Gardens, you're not just choosing a home, you're choosing a lifestyle. Discover amenities like rooftop swimming pool, conference room, children's play area, and more. Contact for more details.